Hello and welcome to Outsiders Weather and the Skeptics Ice Age Watch, where the shivering residents of Heveragerde have just had the largest snowfall they have ever seen in their Icelandic town. Heavy snow and total whiteout conditions spared few regions of Iceland when blizzards battered much of this Nordic island this past week, dumping up to 5 feet of snow on one day alone. And in the northern fishing town of Siglfjorda, the story was much the same, with buildings, cars and streets buried under the snow. In addition, several large avalanches were recorded around the Suganda fjord. 2 of them actually reached the water, causing a tsunami that hit the opposite shore in Suðureyri. This is perhaps the worst weather of the season, said local meteorologist Einar Svægan Bjornsson, which is odd because winter is supposed to be over. But it's not just in northern Europe that catastrophic man-made global warming appears to have wagged off this spring. Regions of southeast Europe experienced their coldest April mornings for a decade, just as vineyards and orchards entered crucial blossoming stages. Italy's orchards have also been badly hit by abnormal spring cold weather, with some 50% of Gala and golden apples having been destroyed across Italy's northeast. Further west, Portugal also experienced rare spring snowfall this week. So much snow, in fact, that the Portuguese Institute for the Sea and Atmosphere placed 2 districts, Guarda and Castelo Branco, under danger warnings. Somewhere else that did not escape the unusual freezing conditions are the vineyards of Girone, famous for their
red wine. Go cheat my head, make me forget that I still need you so.
The mayor of Villa Puaga de Aguiar even issued a tweet urging people to stay at home because of the incredibly rare crop-destroying snow, forgetting, of course, that they were already locked indoors because of catastrophic coronavirus. Meanwhile, here is a chart from Rimouski, Quebec, showing daily maximum temperatures from 1952 to 2015. As we can see, catastrophic global warming begins here. No, hang on. No, it begins. No, hang on. Hang on. No, catastrophic global warming. It begins. Hang on. Well, anyway, well, looks the same to me. Anyway, for some reason or other, Environment Canada no longer records the Rimouski temperature station. Can't think why. Perhaps they've been taking tips from our own Bureau of Meteorology. Speaking of which, down under, major ski resorts in the Australian Alps are continuing to plan for the 2020 snow season despite the uncertainty around coronavirus. Somehow they seem completely unperturbed by the fact that we will never see snow again thanks to global warming. Finally, as I mentioned last week, Norway continues to break snowfall records. I have never experienced so much snow in one day, says Tromsø meteorologist Erik Samuelson. Fancy that. The calendar may say it's springtime in Europe, but as the Electric Light Orchestra always complained, where on earth is Mr. Blue Sky?
Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long.